Success does not belong to those who merely dream. It belongs to those who wake up and work for it. It is the reward of those who sacrifice sleep, comfort, and ease and drench their foreheads with sweat. Remember, success is not magic. It's a price you pay, and that price is hard work. Wealth is not a matter of luck. It is the result of determination. Those who strive to learn every day, seize opportunities, and learn from failure. They are the ones who ultimately succeed. Those who do not fear sweat are the ones success salutes.